Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best handheld vacuums that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best handheld vacuums. It's a pain to haul out an upright or canister vacuum to clean up the Cheerios strewn under and around a high chair. That's the perfect job for a handheld vacuum. Hand vacs are also the right tool for attacking the mess that accumulates in the backseat of your SUV. It's a pain to haul out an upright or canister vacuum to clean up the Cheerios. Number 5. Homasi Handheld Vacuum Cordless 8-The Hand Vacuum. Featuring stylish design and powerful suction, Homasi Handheld Portable Vacuum is a versatile helper that quickly tackles mess and dirtiness at home. Main features: high-capacity lithium batteries, coldless and lightweight design, powerful cyclonic suction. Number 4. Shark WV201 One-Vac Handheld Vacuum. Zero non-tight spaces and car cleaning with the duster crevice tool, and use the multi-surface tool for upholstery. Ion charging dock for quick access. Main features: high-speed and brushless motor, ultra lightweight, dust cup capacity 0.08 quarts. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. The Pet Hair Eraser handheld cordless vacuum triple-level filtration and a large, easy-to-empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Main features: 14 volts lithium-ion battery, dirt cup capacity 0.7 liters, motorized brush tool. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum Corded 33A1. This handheld vacuum cleaner delivers the power needed for fast results. It has a flexible rubber contour nozzle that effectively removes dirt and pet hair from upholstery. Main features: multi-layer filtration, dirt cup capacity 0.78 liter, 16 feet power cord. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum 16 volts CHV 1410L. Action helps to keep the filter clean and power strong. Translucent bagless dirt bowl, easy to see dirt and empty. Main features: 2-year limited warranty, long life and lightweight. Dustbowl capacity 20.6 ounces. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.